Okay, good morning, everybody. We are back on this project over here in Blakely Manor. We were going to wrap this up and get a coat on this either today or tomorrow morning. I was hoping today, but we got a little hold up. I'll show you what we got going on. The homeowner saw a couple boards. So here in these transitions where the doorway is, you can see all those little black marks. Those are from staples and nails where they got wet a little bit. And we see that a lot. If you go back in my videos, you'll see that that occurs on a lot of floors in between doorways where all the tack strips and different transitions for the carpet have gone down over the years. So these three doorways, the homeowner wants me to pull these boards up. So there's 3 boards here, 2 here, and 2 here. And we are going to pull those up and replace those with new wood. So I'm going to get busy. You see I have my little kit. Same little kit I use for the vents. I'm going to use it for doing these repairs right now. Okay, so when I'm cutting a board right out of the middle of a floor like this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make 2 passes up and down both sides. Then I'm going to go do a diagonal pass, and I'll show you that, so I can pull up my little pieces and pull them all out without destroying the wood around it. Maybe I'll get a new fine saw blade. Yep, these fine saw blades, they used to be about 30 bucks a piece. At least they've come down to about, I don't know, 10 or 12 bucks now. Still outrageously expensive, but a great tool. That, and this one's going to come up. Once you get one up, the rest will come pretty easy. There. There's the old-fashioned slip tongue from years ago. That's a 50 or 60-year-old slip tongue. It's mine. Alright, so that's it on that side, and I'm going to get 2 more out over here. I'm gonna get those finish nails out of there. Those are 10-penny finish nails. There you go, there's your 10-penny finish nail. All hand nailed. These boards were all hand nailed back in the day. In many cases, if you measure that out, they're nailed right on joists too. Just the way they used to do it. Okay, so that takes care of all the ugly boards that the homeowner wanted taken care of. Now to do these repairs, I have to get out all my tools. I gotta get out my chop saw, I gotta get out my air compressor, my nail gun. Everything I tried to avoid getting out doing the vents, I have to get those out to do these little repairs. Okay, let's clean it up. Alright, air compressor, nail gun, chop saw, wood, and glue. Okay, because all the wood has swelled up a little bit, you can see that little line I have right there. That's how much over I need to cut this board. So I have to get my table saw too to do this. So the whole van has to be unloaded to do this little repair. Okay, that's ready to be sanded and filled and ready to finish sand with the rest of the floor. I'm going to do that 2 more times over here. Okay folks, so there you see a small repair in the floor. It's not as small as you think sometimes. You know, there's a bit of work that goes into doing a little repair like that. Now it's all doable. It's nice to know that you're going to do this stuff ahead of time instead of right when you're getting ready to go into your finishing sanding. But that's okay. We have it all repaired. We're going to move forward with this project, and the whole project video is coming up soon. All right, over and out for now.